Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to view your Facebook page as a regular Facebook page visitor. This can be really useful to check because you can see then how the page looks like for a regular Facebook user who doesn't have admin or any kind of other Facebook access to the Facebook page. This is just gonna be a quick video tutorial, so if you wanna get more details about how you can view your Facebook page as a visitor, check out our more detailed blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, where we also share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Facebook page setup for absolutely free. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach, without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞.com, since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so this is how you can view your Facebook page as a visitor. Before I would show you, keep in mind that it will be different whether you have a new Facebook page or a classic Facebook page. The new page experience is a little bit different, but both of them are quite easy. So this demo page is a classic Facebook page. So if you have this one, then you're gonna be able to click on this page profile icon here, and then click on basically your profile picture, and then you will be able to check the Facebook page without the admin view. So as you can see, we have now changed to my personal profile, and now we see the Facebook page as a visitor would see. So with all the social links are clickable, the visitor can see the message now button here and all that stuff. If you have been switched to the new Facebook page, the process is a lot more easier. It's actually just one click of a button. So if you have a new Facebook page, you're gonna see this switch now button here, and you're gonna be able to basically switch between the admin view and the regular visitor view of the Facebook page. So if you click on the switch now button, now you can see that this is the admin view of the Facebook page, and now we're gonna be able to manage the Facebook page, set up, edit details, and all that stuff that an admin would do. And if we want to go back to the visitor view of the Facebook page, all we have to do is click on this Facebook page profile icon here on the top right corner, and then we can switch back to our personal profile. And as you can see, this is how a regular visitor would see our page. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist, so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below, or search on Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.